Hey guys, Tony with the Karl Auto Group. I'm back with General Manager Brett Moyer, and we're doing a mid-year update. We're talking Silverado. You know, we've got the 2.7 liter on the half-ton Silverado, we've got the 5.3, we've got the 6.2, and now we've got the 3.0 diesel.
This motor has 495 foot-pounds of torque. Wow. It's smooth and it's really nice to drive. The fuel economy is good. If you're at all thinking about it, you ought to come in and drive one, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with that.
Yeah, I mean, I think the best thing to do is get behind the wheel, right? You know, whether you're towing a camper, a boat, you know, you're hauling a trailer, anything behind that vehicle, it's gonna do the job. You know, I think just another exciting offering from General Motors and Chevrolet. We've got options for the customer. We can work with them to figure out, you know, what the needs are, but this 3.0 diesel is an exciting motor.
Exactly, and we've got them in stock right now.
Yeah, I mean, that's the great thing. You know, we've got them on the ground in stock, ready for you to take home today. We'll get you taken care of.